Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about constants, part of programming in C course. In C programming language, constants are used to store values that cannot be changed during the execution of a program. Constants are similar to variables, but their values cannot be modified after they are assigned. There are two types of constants in C: preprocessor macros and constant variables. Preprocessor macros are defined using the hash defined preprocessor directive. These constants are replaced by their values during the preprocessing stage of compilation. And below is an example of a preprocessor macro. Constant variables. These are defined using the const keyword. These constants are stored in memory and their values cannot be modified. For example, const float pi equals to 3.14 is a constant variable that cannot be modified in the program. The use of constants can make the program more readable and maintainable because the actual value is stored in one place and used throughout the program. This makes it easy to change the value if necessary, and it also makes it clear that the value should not be modified in the program. In addition, it is a best practice to use uppercase letters for constants and variables to help distinguish them from the other types of variables. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.